In this video, we'll look at the PrestaShop Virtual Product Combination module, a powerful solution that lets you attach different downloadable files to different virtual product combinations. To create combinations for a virtual product, first log into your back office. Once logged in, go to the Catalog section and click on the Products tab. Open the virtual product that you want to edit and navigate to the Modules section. Click on the Configure button and enable the Enable Combination toggle button. Then click Save to apply the module settings. Once combinations are enabled and the settings are saved, you will notice a new tab called Combinations appearing on the product page. From this tab, the admin can easily create and manage combinations for the virtual product. The process is very similar to how combinations are added for standard products, making it familiar and easy to use. Now, click on the Generate Combinations button and select the combinations for the virtual product. I have selected the version attribute. Click on the Generate Combinations button. Once the combinations are generated, to associate a file with any combination, click on the Edit button. Now scroll down. As soon as you do this, a pop-up window will appear where the admin can upload the downloadable file and configure all the related details. Simply select Yes for the Does this product have an associated file option, and then select the file you want to upload from the File option. Enter the file name in the File Name field, enter the number of allowed downloads in the Number of Allowed Downloads field, and set it to 0 for unlimited downloads. Enter the expiration date, after which the file will no longer be downloadable, or leave it blank if you do not want to set an expiration date. Next, enter the number of days after which the customer will no longer be able to access the file, and set it to 0 for unlimited access. After entering all the details, click on the Save button. So, we have now seen one way to save a combination. For virtual products, files can be added directly from the Modules section on the product page. Now let's move on to the second method, where we will see another place from which files for virtual product combinations can be added and managed. For this, click on the Catalog section. Here, you will see a new tab named Virtual Combination File. Click on it. Inside this tab, you will find a complete list of all the virtual products available in your store. From here, the admin can easily add and manage files for different product combinations. All uploaded files and combinations can be accessed through the Virtual Combination File tab, allowing bulk edits, quick updates, and easy organization. To get started, click on the Add File for Combination button, then select the Edit option for the desired product combination. As soon as you do this, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to associate the file and enable the respective toggle button. First, using the File field, upload any digital file associated with the selected combination, for example, an ebook, PDF manual, or audio file. Next, in the File Name field, enter a custom name that the customer will see on the download link and the order page. After that, set the number of allowed downloads. Here, you can define how many times a customer can download the file after purchase. Setting the value to 0 allows unlimited downloads. Next is the Expiration Date field. Use this option to select a specific date after which the file will no longer be available for download, even if the customer has already purchased it. You can also specify the number of days for which the download link remains active after the order is completed, for example, 30 days. Once all the required details have been entered, simply click on the Save button. And that's it. The file is now successfully associated with the selected product combination and is ready to be downloaded by the customer based on the configured rules. Now, let's take a look at how this works on the customer end. Search for the product and select it. On the product page, the customer can see a virtual product with multiple combinations, similar to a regular product with attributes such as version or format. As a customer, when you select a specific combination, you are actually choosing a particular virtual file link associated with that variation. Once the desired combination is selected, the customer can add the product to the cart and complete the checkout process as usual. Click on Proceed to Checkout, then click Continue, select the payment method, and place the order. Now, let's go to the back office and confirm the order by changing its order status. Set the order status to Payment Accepted. The customer can access the virtual product file once the payment is confirmed. After confirmation, the virtual product becomes available for download, and the customer can access the file directly from the Order History and Details section of their account in the front office. Simply select the relevant order. You can easily download the virtual product file from the Order History and Details section in the Account section. With virtual product combinations, customers get the flexibility to choose the exact version they need, while store owners maintain full control over file access and distribution. And that's how virtual product combinations work seamlessly on the PrestaShop front end and how you can configure them according to your store needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.